Two U.S. judges on Tuesday extended temporary blocks on some deportations of Venezuelan migrants. They also signaled that President Donald Trump's use of the Alien Enemies Act to speed up their removal from the United States may not survive judicial review. Trump on March 15th invoked the rarely used 1798 law to deport men they accuse of being members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua to a massive anti-terrorism prison in El Salvador. The Tuesday rulings by the judges in Colorado and New York are the first judicial guidance since the April 7th Supreme Court order on how the Trump administration can ensure due process rights under the Alien Enemies Act. They also come days after the Supreme Court blocked what advocates said was the imminent removal of dozens of Venezuelans held in Texas without due process. The Manhattan judge, U.S. District Judge Alvin Hellerstein, said Trump's move may violate constitutional protections against cruel and unusual punishment. He seemed inclined to require the administration to notify Venezuelans at least 10 days in advance before deporting them under the 18th century law, and stressed that the administration must afford migrants due process. A Justice Department lawyer at the Manhattan hearing said migrants would be given at least 24 hours to contest their deportations. Meanwhile, Denver-based U.S. District Judge Charlotte Sweeney wrote in a ruling that Trump's administration must give Venezuelan migrants detained in Colorado notice 21 days in advance before any deportations under the law and must inform them of their right to challenge their removal. While the U.S. Supreme Court order earlier this month required migrants be given the opportunity to challenge their removals in court, it did not specify how much notice migrants should be given, nor did it resolve the validity of the administration's reliance on that law to carry out the deportations.